Yeah.
Mommy,
Yes.
I want snack for these. I put for cheese.
Okay, we are back. This is part 1. Again, kiddos are playing with Play-Doh today, so we only have half of our table. So I'm going to start off over here. We've got 1 thing of mozzarella cheese. We got chicken fajitas. We are doing a recipe that we did not get to last week, so we needed some more of those. We got some plain mini bagels, some Aldi version of Fruit Loops. It's the fruit rounds. We got sourdough bread, English muffins, pancakes, juice for school. We got some mini brownies for a treat. These ones actually are individually packaged, so I don't have to package them individually myself. And this one comes with 12, so hopefully that'll be good for the week. I've been craving spinach artichoke dip. They are, this specific one is so good. And I got bagel chips to dip them with. We got some hash browns, garlic breadsticks, some more paper towel. It looks like 5 boxes of mac and cheese just to kind of stock up the pantry a little bit. My all-time favorite pierogies were back in stock, so I grabbed a bag of those. We got some regular white bread and some strawberry cream cheese for the mini bagels. My daughters love this as a breakfast and honestly as a lunch too. Our favorite pasta sauce. We got some chicken noodle soup, 2 cans of those. We needed some more peanut butter. And then their snack of the week, they chose Cheetos. And then we needed some Doritos. And this is just for me and my husband, so we didn't really care about the brand. And then we got some more milk, and hubby needed some creamer. And then we got some eggs. So that is round 1. I will put all this away, and then we'll do round 2, which round 2 is the produce from Aldi and then everything from Walmart. And hubby said he went rogue at Walmart because I sent him in. So we'll see what he got us from Walmart. Okay, so the produce is from Aldi. We got 3 bags of carrots because the last time when we only got 1 bag, I think it only lasted like 2 days. So we got 3 bags. We got a giant bag of potatoes because I'm making mashed potatoes, but I think I'm also going to do something else with it too this week. I'm not sure yet, but we got 2 things of peppers for snacking. Another bag of grapes. They loved them last week, and they're very firm, and that's the only way I love grapes. Oh, they're so good. Aldi has the best grapes in my opinion. 2 bags of apples, and then we had to go with these, and the bag ripped right when we were packing up, but we had to go with these cucumbers this time because that's all they had, so we grabbed 6 of those. So that was all from Aldi, and then the rest is from Walmart. So I sent him in with 3 things that we needed. We needed beef ravioli, we needed chicken gravy mix, and we needed coffee. And then we also need laundry soap too. So what he went rogue on was some Velveeta mac and cheese. Our all-time favorite snack especially when we're watching a movie is mozzarella sticks. And then this is his all-time favorite pasta. And honestly, this is really good for him for like lunches and stuff. So he got 3 boxes of those. And that is it. So I will put the total on the screen. My husband did get a gift card for from work, and so we used the remaining we used our 120 from groceries, but then he used the remaining. That's why he went rogue, because he felt like he could. So he used the remaining amount for the from the gift card. So I'll put the total on the screen, and that is everything for the week. Again, there's a new recipe in the description below. There's a list for our menu in the description below, but I also included the plan with me, so you have that as well. But I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your weekend, or your week. It's Sunday for me. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video.